All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here. Too lazy to walk down to the truck, get my selfie stick over here in Upland. Got a red oak engineered hardwood flooring. Let me show you what we're going to do. Just two small rooms, but so coming in here.
This is it. Let me see. What did you need the panel for?
We plug into that. So we got this red oak, natural, kind of orangey over the years. It ambers and ages, so they want to get rid of that, and they installed some engineered pre-finished bamboo, but it's a stained bamboo, and it's been like almost like a rustic, got these little black lines and stuff. So it's white, so they want to try to get closer to this color. So we're going to sand it all down, stain it like a whitewash, and then get it to match a lot closer. Stay tuned.